Welcome back. Tonight, let's hear a story about a small, round doll that holds the power of our deepest hopes. Our first word means wish.
願い、願い。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
心からの願いを込めます。
Long ago, a monk sat in deep meditation for 9 years. To honor his unwavering spirit, craftsmen created a round, weighted doll that always bounces back up when pushed over. Our next word is the name of this doll.
だるま、だるま。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
だるまは決して倒れません。
These dolls are painted in a bright, vibrant color to ward off bad luck and bring good fortune to the home. Our next word means red.
赤い、赤い。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
赤い色が幸運を呼びます。
When you bring a Daruma home, its eyes are blank. You paint the left eye while making your wish, and then you must work hard to make it come true. Our next word means effort.
努力、努力。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
毎日の努力が大切です。
Finally, when your goal is reached, you paint the right eye, completing the face. The Daruma reminds us that we have the power to shape our own future. Our last word means dream.
夢、夢。
Let's hear it in a sentence.
いつか夢が叶います。
Just like the Daruma, you can always rise again tomorrow. Rest well tonight and let your hopes take root. Good night.
おやすみなさい。